Uploading file to Tableau Public is the next topic. Go on the menu, click on Server. Select the option Tableau Public and click on Save to Tableau Public as option. You would now see the sign-in page. If you have an existing account, you can use the credentials to log in. If not, you need to click on Create Now for free. Create a profile by filling all the above details. We have already logged in on Tableau Public with user credentials, so it's giving the option. You need to be signed in. While we have already done the extract of the data, you may need to do so separately. Click on Data, then Fact Table, Coffee Chain Excel, and click on Extract Data. Press Extract. The file extension of this would be .tid. Since we have already done it, it went fast. When you do it for the first time, it may take some time. Now go back on Server, then observe. It's showing signed in. Go to Save to Tableau Public. You can change the name if you want. We are going with the default. Press Save. Once published, you would be directed to this Tableau Public page. Since there are 21 sheets, all of which are published here. If you click on Sales and Profit over time, then the respective sheet will show up. This way you can share your work over the Tableau Public. These charts would be interactive for anybody. They can use the features as we see now. You can edit or download. On your profile you can see the uploaded files. You can change settings, featured content, visibility options, and so on. User can add to favorites as well. You can save up to 10 GB content. This would change with respect to company policy. You have an application download option also, in which you can view. Let's click on this. Here is the download option. You have option to download as whole workbook, or data, or image only, or PDF copy. If we wish, we can share the link over here. The embed code can be shared to integrate in a website for others to view, while the direct link is for anybody to access directly.